What is up, my skibbity sigmas? Welcome back to Gunichi YT, and today we're going to be playing some Roblox. I know how you all love Roblox, and I love Roblox too. Today we're playing Bubblegum Simulator. Why is this hee on my screen? I'm going to play some Bubblegum. What is that? And why the fuck do I not want to touch it? Let's pick up some honey, pollen, whatever. I love pollen. I am like a little buzzy bee. I hate this music. Wow, that's my camera sensitive. I love Konnichiwa here. Let's play. Why do I have no bee? Give me bee, baby. I want bee. Alright, try. Basic bee, just like me. Make me honey, motherfucker. I love honey. I love honey and bees. Come on, Mr. Bee. Give me some honey pollen. I love pollen. Stick a book. Come here, Mr. Bumblebee, and make me some honey. Honey. Wow, I have 80 honey now. How? This game's lame.